All right, now let's get you up to speed with the 13 seats in the state of Uttar Pradesh. 13 of the 80 that are finally going into polls today, that are in fact have started to see people trickling in. The voting has started. 13 seats. Let's talk about how the BJP performed on these seats the last time around. Of the 80, 13 are going to vote today. The BJP stood at 9, and in fact the others were at 4. As far as these 13 seats, the last Lok Sabha elections in 2019 is concerned. Also, let's talk about the key candidates here. Of course, the Prime Minister being fielded once again from Varanasi. His third attempt at securing the seat of Banaras is the Prime Minister, one of the key candidates and the star campaigners of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Prime Minister is being fielded from here. Apart from that, the other candidates are Ajay Rai, who has been fielded against Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Banaras. The last time also he was fielded but has lost on other occasions against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The other candidate from here is to look at very closely is Ravi Kishan, who is being fielded from Gorakhpur, which at one point in time used to be the parliamentary constituency of the now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. UP is voting in the 7th and final phase of polls. The phase is witnessing polling for several key constituencies like we're telling you about, including Varanasi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's bastion. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Ravi Kishan, Apna Dal's Anupriya Patel and Don Ansari's brother Afzal were among the first ones to cast their votes. In 2019, the parties which are part of the opposition India bloc won 19 seats out of the 57 going to polls with a vote share of 37.52%. The ruling BJP-led NDA won 30 seats, receiving 39.03% of the votes.
जिन लोगों ने और जिन पार्टियों ने, जिन सरकारों ने काम किया है, उसको पूरा आशीर्वाद प्राप्त हो रहा है और जनता को सुखद अनुभूति होगी, देश को सुखद अनुभूति होगी कि मोदी जी एक बार फिर से प्रचंड बहुमत के साथ सरकार बनाएंगे। उत्तर प्रदेश इसमें अपनी भूमिका का निर्वहन करेगा पूरी मजबूती के साथ। 10 वर्ष में बदलते हुए भारत को 7 वर्ष में डबल इंजन सरकार के द्वारा एक नए उत्तर प्रदेश का दर्शन कराया है।
आज तक के तमाम दर्शकन के दिखावल जो वोटवा भइल कि नहीं, तो रवि किशन बाबू के वोट भइल कि नहीं?
हमार वोट हो गई। तब यह कहा कि अरे आही करता विरोधी, तो के पूछा था काहे हो? तुम भी मोदी, हम भी मोदी, तुम भी मोदी।
आज वो आवे वाला बा एग्जिट पोल, आज तक इंडिया एक्सेस वाला।
अरे वाह वाह वाह,
इंतजार बा
मैं मोदी जी के सरकार बने।
लेकिन 2018 में यहाँ दूसर तस्वीर रहल, बदल गई रहल बाब, फिर वह निषाद पे
हम यहाँ आके खड़ा हो गए ना, हम काम करे लगे। जब काम करबा तो कुछ चिंता नहीं। 5 साल यहीं रहे, यहाँ का वोटर बन गए, यहीं रोजगार, भोजपुरी फिल्मों की शूटिंग शुरू किए, बच्चों को काम दिए, या काम करवाए। कुल जोन बना था, कुल सड़किया पानी वहाँ खड़े रह के बनवा।
All right, Ashutosh Mishra is getting us more details from Gorakhpur in the state of UP, where he was in fact in conversation with the candidate, with Ravi Kishan. Ashutosh, first of all, the voting percentage, the latest figures, what's the mood really like? Ravi Kishan was extremely confident, and this of course is a seat which was held on so many occasions, for so many years in fact, by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. It used to be his parliamentary constituency.
And that too perhaps since 90s. And the reason of this confidence that you see with Ravi Kishan is exactly the hold of the Gorakhnath Mutt in this particular parliamentary constituency. And Gorakhpur itself having known and having understood as a cultural capital, political capital of the eastern Uttar Pradesh region, and very strong hold of the BJP ever since Digvijay Adityanath. Then you have Yogi Adityanath. But there was some chemistry that worked against the BJP was in 2018 parliamentary bypoll, and then it was the SP-BSP coming together, and then they even defeated BJP. But then 2019 parliamentary election, Ravi Kishan yet again became a BJP's first time candidate from Gorakhpur, and then he won with a historic margin. So this time, again this formula of the Hindutva plus Yogi model being Gorakhnath Peeth, this constituency, BJP's own support vote bank, perhaps one booster for the BJP. But then, subsequent formula with the largest, one of the Nishad vote bank in Gorakhpur, SP coming together with a Nishad face. Kajal Nishad may not be as popular at Ravi Kishan, but belonging from the community of Nishad gives itself a vote-based support. And in fact, Nishad have also been a core voter for the BJP in the previous election. And this time, the alliance formula of the SP and Congress coming together give them a booster, some hope that this would give really them a tough fight. So what's happening on the ground? In the city, this is Mohammadpur area where I am at the moment at the booth. I'll just take you a walk around inside. Till 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, there were really energetic, enthusiastic crowd very much at the polling station. But now the number is significantly reduced. Yet you see number of people are still stepping out for the polling. Relatively today, the temperature is slightly better, but there is a humidity and there is humidity and there's a good wind speed. So that could be one factor if it worked, and throughout the day, probably there will be a large turnout of the voters. So in the urban pocket, what we are seeing slightly better turnout in the Gorakhpur area, but relatively as we go to the remote parts, that could really disappoint this time. So what will be the challenge for at the moment, be it SP, India Alliance or the BJP, to bring your voter at the polling station? And remember, I was covering Ravi Kishan at around 9:30. One of the person who was working at the booth got literally fainted. So that's what we know, that there are some practical challenges as far as this last phase of polling is
continues rather to be a problem, not just here, but in many other parts of the country, where in Bihar also we saw poll officers have died because of the heat wave, and it is a huge concern. I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details.